Alright, so before I start this video, I want to let you guys know, go down in the description, little tab down there, click on the link. Just go to the link. I can't talk about it too much. I think a lot of you guys might be interested. $100, you could maybe get a Z out of it. So hit the link in the description. Let's jump into the damn video. All right, new day, we are back. I put the door card back in the car because I was sick of this glue stuff. It was terrible. This, whatever Honda uses. You guys heard me rant about it before. It is honestly the worst adhesive, glue, paste, whatever they use. It's so bad. If it gets on your clothes, it dusts them. It's gotten on the door cards. It's gotten on the molding right here, the seats, so I can't have that. The mirrors aren't on, but I do want to just throw the door cards back in, and I got to wire the speaker up for the other door card, so that's all situated. The speaker's in here somewhere. Just got to put it in the door card and we will be in business, because these go in the door cards, not the physical door. I hate those so much. Oh, what are we doing? Look at that bolt, kid. You ain't gonna be able to thread a nut on that.
So I'm taking it out.
Ah, it's hot. You heated it up. Valve cover all back on, nice and tidy. I don't know what happened here. Something did that recently. We tried buffing it, but it did bring the shine back a little bit.
Very soft.
A soft spot on your head.
Brake cleaner did that to powder coat though.
I don't know what that, it could be anything, you know, there's heavy chemicals always up here. The SSR is coming back together. Manifold cleaned, fuel rail. Should have painted it black, but that still looks good. Okay. Down here, mate. That's a good burnt plug right there, people. Have to plug the speaker in. That's boss. Door card all back together. That's so fun. There's glue. What up, baby? I spent kind of the day prepping and trying to get this stuff ready. Anthony is here now. He is taping. Brian is on his way. Everything is scuffed. Prepping is hung, as you guys seen, and the bumpers are all scuffed and cleaned. We're waiting for Brian because this is coming to an end. It will finally all be in primer, and then obviously we could paint it and put the stuff on the car finally, because the car looks very incomplete without these pieces on it. I'm gonna wait for Brian, mix up some primer and start shooting the shit and get this stuff all sealed.
Oh yeah, fucking put that back on.
You gotta mix it. Brian's here. Say hello, Brian.
Hello, Brian.
This is damaged, so we can't paint these. It's unfortunate. I could fix this. While Brian's priming, I will attempt to fix. But Brian's paint booth is all prepped and ready to go. A racing bumper with the ducting cleared off. We got the bimbos over here. What are they doing?
Huh?
What are you looking?
If you want to see what we're doing, you gotta subscribe to the Patreon.
This is bad stuff, so it's not YouTube friendly. And if you guys want to see really bad stuff that I post on my Patreon,
Pornhub.com.
what are you looking for?
Oh, what's this thing?
How are the hoses you got from AutoZone? Advanced.
It'll work.
Shout out Eric.
Shout out Eric. John.
Bro, at the bottom of the pot. Jeez, that's that thick. The 2 C's.
Don't use it all because that's for my car.
I
Thought that you bought this whole gallon.
I thought I was.
Yes, give him a gallon. Buy yourself another gallon.
You don't need a gallon.
No.
We go through primer.
Yeah, dude. We've been building cars, dude.
We've been going through primer, running through it. I ain't been paying more stuff. I said it in the last one. We've been paying more stuff than we ever did in our lives.
Yeah, DJ DJ Santos Custom.
Dang, no, we gotta paint his van soon, so we're gonna need the primer. Rust repair that would be needed to go into that car would be tens of thousands of
Comment below if
dollars.
you'd like to see that.
Less than DJ's 14.
Time, baby.
Shit.
This was
We
black.
got something heavy to put on this plastic. This sucks. Go get a couple nuts and bolts and put it there.
I'll put my nuts on there.
I'll put my nuts on the
That's nice, bro, how you laid that like that. I saw what you did there. Can't learn this stuff overnight, people. Brian's been doing this, I would say, for 38 years, if you count overtime. Ooh, that looks good. What little pipe is this?
I'm pretty sure James will like this one.
What's this?
Yeah.
What is this? Brian Hall, 3 times a day. Advil. It's sick to see these things all one shade. Very cool. Primer, 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 this. Why are you sanding that?
Shut up.
So we couldn't paint the side skirt extensions or side skirts because they're damaged. They're fine. No one will ever notice. Look at how mint this looks. These are ready for primer, baby. We don't need to do nothing to them. We gotta heat them up, bang it out a little bit. Now he's sanding the whole thing. Brian is so extra. You guys have no idea how extra he could be. But these came out phenomenal. Amazing. No more license plate holes. Love that. That is so sick. Laid good. Look at this boy.
Okay, where's the trash can?
Over there. Yeah, right there. So this shit laid really nice, and it's sick to see. So I'm pretty happy. If those side skirts were primer too, I'd be happier than a pig in shit. We need a little body work, whatever. Trust the process. Trust the process. Too long prepping these things, but they're good. They're good to go for side skirts. 180, 320, Scotch Brite, but primer. Oh, you almost forgot. Brian almost forgot a step. Holy shit, caught on camera. You don't need it. Adhesion, promote, and then to primer. And just like that.
Oh, I got the ink ball in on the front.
Hey, I'm trying to film a clip. These guys are addicted to this pool game on their phone. They're winning real money though, so.
No, they're not. No.
Yeah, they are. It's real coins. Like you could cash it in for coins in real life. I saw Bitcoin was big. That pool game, crazy. But everything lay. I think you killed it. It all looks so smooth. Not tacky, but I'm saying for the next step. You're a big step guy, remember? In some prime jobs prime jobs in my day, and this looked phenomenal. I know you guys probably can't really.
I wish we had more primer.
Oh, what the hell is that? A shadow? Oh yeah, a shadow.
Literally a shadow, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you?
And I gotta still do a lot of prep, and then it's more prep, and then paint. One step closer to the damn stupid Honda being all one color and complete. And with that being said, huge thank you to Brian. If you guys don't follow his Instagram page, go follow it. He doesn't really post body work anymore, but maybe if you guys follow him, he will. He's crazy. Magician. Wizard, they would call him. Dag, now, what's a good wizard name? Gandalf?
Dumbledore. Have a great night.
Looping. We gotta wait for the heat to turn off. They can't hear me, or could they hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
What I have to do today consists of nothing but sanding it all down and scuffing it. These came out phenomenal though, I'll tell you. Wing, good. So Anthony's always ready. So this weekend, paint. And we're
Have
gonna
a couple cervezas, kid.
cervezas and get Anthony some, right?
Yeah.
But this is the shit part. Sanding. It's not fun stuff, people. It's the worst part about painting. Sanding. Painters got it good.
Yeah. Easy.
I'm not saying Anthony, because Anthony does help, but the sprayers,
Everything.
Anthony does it all from A to Z. Not gonna film much. Maybe a time lapse here and there if I'm feeling optimistic. And just sand. He's acting funny today. I don't know what's up with him. I told him to go on the couch. What's good? It's like you're lost in here. You don't like the music? What is it? You don't know nothing. Nothing. Go sit down. Come on. Side skirts are getting color matched. So the only thing that will not be silver are the door handles, unfortunately, but that might change down the road. And the trim around the bumpers and down the side of the car. The only thing that'll be black. Everything else color matched. Shut up. Music on. Sanding. Lots of sanding to do. All day I've been prepping, sanding, wet sanding, making a mess. And what I thought was gonna happen kind of happened. Anthony wanted me to go up to 800, which I should have known because he wanted me to do the car in 800 too. But I went up to only 600 wet. Anyways, all this stuff is 600. Besides the wing, I did the wing in 800 while he went and mixed paint up. I'm not really gonna show this stuff. You guys don't want to see prep. It's fun stuff to watch. Right, Darren?
Nah, fuck this.
It's not.
Oh, no strang. Shit.
You guys have been seeing it for a while. It's just like.
Too much body work lately.
No, not that. It's just not fun to do and to film at the same time because it's I'm not gonna say repetitive, but
Takes more time.
yeah. And the last thing I want to do is show you guys, okay, like I sanded this with this sandpaper and now we're gonna move on to this sandpaper. Now we're gonna wipe it down. No. So it's all sanded. I'm gonna wax and grease, remove everything. Anthony's here, he mixed up some paint, blending base, because I did not go up to 800. So what it does is, I think, just fills the small scratches.
Can't tell them all the secrets, Anthony.
Fills all the scratches. So he said like 2 coats of that, and then paint. Anthony brought a toy by. Very nice piece. I did not know he owned this. I'm used to Brian's junk little gun.
Harbor Freight.
It's that. Anthony pulled up with this thing. If you guys don't know what this is a Wacom Genesis 360 carbon fiber. The whole gun is carbon fiber. That's sick. I didn't even know they made paint guns in carbon fiber.
If you guys could feel it.
So yeah,
It's
you guys
light.
can feel it. But I'm gonna put that down because it's very expensive and that's how Anthony makes his living. So. Can't film that.
Close the door.
It is bad out there.
Paint.
Dude, when we did the car, whew, bad. So
bad.
Anthony has to lay 2 more coats of base.
Base and then clear?
Base
coat.
of clear coat?
What? Base coat?
Oh.
One more?
And then
Clear.
we're not, and we're in the clear.
No clear though this time.
Brian, get out of my way, please.
Look at him.
All right, so the dust has cleared a few hours later, and it came out as expected, as always. Amazing. It looks just as good as the car did. It's very clean. It hides my prep work. I don't know how he did it, but he made it look like I knew what I was doing somewhat. The wing is definitely my favorite part on the whole thing. Can't see it now because it's like dark over there, but I can't wait to put this thing on the car. Me and Darren were just saying how we might throw it on tonight.
Good idea. Show 'em.
We'll use gloves.
No, no gloves.
What?
Just wipe the fingerprints off after.
You got a buffer, right? Look at that.
Can't show it on camera.
What?
It's too good.
I want to put it on tonight, but Anthony said we gotta wait for tomorrow.
He's dries in a couple hours.
Okay.
Guess we're staying a couple hours.
If we bump the heat to like 90, technically it'll flash it quicker. The word flash?
Flash.
Yeah, we want it to flash quick. But it's much better in here now. Huge thank you to Anthony, Brian. There's still a few parts that need to be painted, but this is huge. Bumpers, wings, skirts. Car's gonna look very complete. Tuned. Next video will be putting the stuff on. So Darren's gotta go home. It's past his bedtime.
Call of Duty's calling.
So as I said at the beginning of the video, if you want your chance to enter the Z, it's live. Click the Facebook tab, join the group. All of the details will be down there. But sick to have the car painted, fully painted. So stay tuned for that and click the link. I'll see you guys in the next one.